Hey guys, here's a Living Solutions 6-inch 2-in-1 clip fan. It's blue, it's my favorite color. I really like it, that's the reason I bought it. I have a similar fan on my channel, but it's white and it's newer. So I decided to get the older version, and I decided to get in my favorite color too. So, let's unbox this little guy. So inside, we have the instruction manual, clip, base, fan head itself, and nut. So, let's assemble this and I'll get right back. So here it is, it's assembled. I decided to use the base instead of the clip because personally I hate clip fans because they never stay. But anyway, here it is. It looks decent. My favorite part about it is it's all blue except for the grill, which is white, and the cord. And the blue blades. I love them. They're blue and transparent and just so awesome. There's the side. The blades actually have pitch to them, which you don't see in a lot of modern day fans today. They just have a dinky little motor and blades with like no pitch at all. This does have a dinky motor, but the pitch is actually pretty good, and I took the blades off of the fan and they actually feel they're made of hard plastic. And the back, in the back there's a 2-speed switch, low, off, and high, and you can kind of see, I don't know if you can tell, but the blades are actually translucent, not opaque, so they're like the old Galaxy fans with the blue blades that I love. Let's turn it back around to the front. Oops. Okay. So to start out, here is low. Here's high. And off. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.